to go. It's a stomper, 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 it's a stomper. We got to go under, we got to go under, we got to go under, we got to go under.
Estamos a solo segundos de empezar con este encuentro en la provincia de Buenos Aires, en el territorio argentino. ¡Arde el estadio! ¡Arrancamos con todo! Queda 1 contra 1. ¡Golazo! ¡Se abre el marcador del partido! Toque de balón. Arranca el fútbol. Excelente tajada de Taquera. La oportunidad del empate con el balón de nuevo. Tiene la posesión, va directo mano a mano, se te escapó esta chance, amiga. Últimos 60 segundos para el descanso. Busca emparejar el marcador. Gana la posesión. La sacó con clase. Quedan 30 segundos para el medio tiempo. Vamos que podés, amigo. Increíble atajada de la arquera. ¡Gol! El encuentro está ahora empatado. 1 4, 3, 2, 1. Llegamos al fin de este primer tiempo. Muy parejo que veamos. Arranca de nuevo el fútbol. ¡Qué calidad la arquera! Siguen empatados gracias a esa salvada magistral. Está mano a mano. Inalcanzable, 2-1. Comenzamos con todo, cosas que no se ven siempre. ¿No quieren la posesión? ¡Increíble! ¡Pero no se puede creer! Empezamos nuevamente 3-1. ¡Vamos que podés, amigo! ¡Increíble atajada de la arquera! ¿Cómo la salvar para la arquera? Le quedan 60 segundos a este partido. ¡Qué mala suerte tuvo el jugador! ¡Golazo para descansar! ¡Vamos que falta poquito! que representaron Luli.
We'll live when I flip the clutch. Days when I wasted a lot. Some days I was waste like plums. That ain't been ate for months. Mum's in this place to glum. Food that I ate, hey my Tom. Can't settle fairy tale skin pebbles. Raised in slum. Somehow I gotta make me some. I ain't trying to stay on mums. Mum said don't play with banging, I ain't playing on drums. Under no thumb. Made me draw from my thumb. Putting on pie, ain't eating crumbs. Get rich thing that don't mean that much. Could be anyone that won't be me. Believe in everyone except from me. All I need is TLC. Block it out. You would know if you seen what I seen. It ain't smooth like Maybelline. Tell me out like 1, 2, 3. Proof I'm gonna say my move was strong. Bite it between my teeth, said I'm moving long. Do you know where I've been? Back and forth to Timbuktu, still I come through like Mr. Sheen. Dealing with Charlie Sheens. Sad time, can you play the strings? No cut, no scene. Looks you kill when I got IDs. Off my line, they got laws but I can't comply. Out of luck, must be blind. Been blessed so much that I question my existence. Without put to distant, travel distance. I ain't Mr. Kipling, K-King, take my position. No optimism, say I'm optimistic. Narcissistic, hard to sit with middle part and split the difference. Need treating the exorcism, bad decision, pessimistic. Conflict about fit description, misunderstanding. Don't know what I'm planning. Paint a different picture, need a safe landing. Life in the caption. Why you live for Insta? Him, wing past friend, I'll just bring super ins, I go in. I don't bring plans, any billboard trend when I go in, cause I wing past them. 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 Wing past him. Wing past friend. Wing past them. Wing past them. Wing past them. Who really got the most skill? Who can kill any beat given at will? Man says ill, I'm king of the hill like Hank break the bill.
Live and direct from Cape Town. And we need that Cape Town love. The teams are out, get ready. Show them some love. Oh, this is a great chance. Vital block. 1-0. That's a great finish. All right, here we go again. Calabria walking. Come on, let's get some noise. Cheers! It's a good finish there, and we're all level again. Back again. Watch out, this is great effort. So unlucky. Done well there. That's good defending. That'll be a foul. Bad challenge. Are you kidding me? Oh, that's got to be a free kick, blood. It's poor block there. Good tackle, good tackle. What an effort, blood. Into the last 60 of the half. How has that not gone in, blood? Poor challenge. That's a lovely tackle there. Great timing. Good effort, good effort. Good pressure from the defender. 30 seconds left until half time. The Techers, the absolute Techers. He's fluffed his lines there. Deservedly, they've taken the lead in this game. Here we go, it's 2-1. It's been a tight and cagey first half. You can't really pick a winner. Here we go. Good tackle, good tackle. All right, Cape Town, let me hear you out there. Come on. Great block there. Hey bro, just retire now, yeah? Just retire now, blood. Nah, blood, that's dirty, fam. That's dirty, blood. Back on the way, a 3-1. Need to be careful here. Oh, what's he thinking? The ball's moving at 4-1 now. Here we go. Finishing like that, there's no chance for them. What a great chance this is. Oh, he's in the post. Unbelievable, bro. Oh my days. What a huge chance, man. Will they live to regret it? Oh, that was amazing there, bro. Reaching the last 60 now. Now or never. Good finish. We might have a game here now. They're only one away. Can they get back? Done well there. Only 30 seconds remaining. Can they find an equaliser? Need to get back here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, that's the game. It's full time. All right.
There in 10. Big R1, I'll be there in 10. Where and when? Big R1, I'll be there in 10. I am the boogeyman scaring men. Call out my name and I appear with. Come to a video shooting your ends. I will turn up earlier than your cameraman. Bare equipment, you be thinking it's them. Hold on, wait there, where's his lens? There's his lens. Unsatisfied thing, where's his friends? You men are camping, my animals are out raiding. For you, it's bare intense. Why would I scrap when I'm here with. Man, don't care if your ears are bent. No, I will ring every 15 like Big Ben. Test me how. Phone man's phone up, let's meet now. Kick this thing off like Jet Li, bow. David Louise absolutely foul. Don't be your sit down, cause I went Deptford Green. I got Chinese man that would drive by your favorite restaurant and you'll get your main chick. What did you think? I will scream and shout. You ain't nothing if you ain't seen clout. Bet 10 bags I will find these house. Walk one mumsy, it's my man about. Man, go to mumsy's mum's house. What nan? Dead serious, you don't want it with man. I've told this boy not to with man. Told him. Where and when? Big R1, I'll be there in 10. Told him. Where and when? Big R1, I'll be there in 10. Told him. Where and when? Big R1, I'll be there in 10. Blood. Man, I hear what's.
Scaring men. Big, I'll be there in 10. Old school, I'll be there with Spen. Big black geezer is there and then. Yeah, staring then. They dare me, but I'm daring them. Oh no, I ain't hearing them. Double M, yeah, I'm here with M. Clapped in this bingo. That's right. Man, let the ting go. Who, him? Man, that's the insult. Chits from the man, and she's hearing the lingo. Back on my spider. That's on the rider. I'll slap man a fiver. 20 vans, all black with a driver. 50 man in the back getting liver. That's 50 gang in the back, that's a minor. Man just talk and rap, that's a minor. You gas man up and that's an advisor. Where and when I creep in the Air FM. I'm sleeping in here West End. Road deep, I'll be near West End. No street fighter, no Ryu. No street fighter here with Ken. No cheapness in here, we spend. Roll deep up in there, we can. I'm with Sky. No sleep, I'm in there with Spen. SM1, whole heap, I'm in there with Clem. Man just spit. I'm in here with phlegm. Man just dip, that's P money there again.
Told him, where and when, big R1, I'll be there in 10. Told him, where and when, big R1, I'll be there in 10. Told him, where and when, big R1, I'll be there in 10. Blood, man, I hear what's here, what's here, what's here, what's here.
Os amigos do complexo, pros irmãos lá da maré, caixinha lá da coroa, os irmãozinhos do jacaré. Todo mundo junto, unidão na mesma fé. Todo mundo junto, os amigos do complexo, pros irmãos lá da maré, caixinha lá da coroa, os irmãozinhos do jacaré. Todo mundo junto, unidão na mesma fé. Todo mundo junto, unidão na mesma fé.
Kingmaker. Catch a flight, don't need no invite, yeah. New petite, flooded out with ice, yeah. What a day, can't wait for tonight, yeah. I don't take advice, yeah. Ooh, let me live my life, yeah. If I spend it once, I get it twice, yeah. I don't take advice, yeah. I don't take advice, yeah. She getting too close, I think she might tonight. Girl don't like me, she ain't taking no advice, yeah. In the dresser, hit the light. Back up on my, I'm stacking and they lacking, yeah. Hey, fat, that's my type, believe the hype, yeah, it's right. She enticed and she looking nice. Hey, you a dime, one more time, roll a dice, living on the edge, that's my life, dog. Catch a flight, don't need no invite, yeah. New petite, flooded out with ice, yeah. What a day, can't wait for tonight, yeah. I don't take advice, yeah. Ooh, let me live my life, yeah. If I spend it once, I get it twice, yeah. I don't take advice, yeah. I don't take advice, yeah. Hey, money can't like right quick. Fast forward, I'm ballin' like I'm Mike J. Count the chips, stack 'em like it's Vice. No
She gon' me like she Dyson. What a day, my darling. Penthouse is what I call this. Lot of cash, money, bags, know we all in. Yeah, disrespect the clique, we probably brawling. Catch a flight, don't need no invite, yeah. New petite, flooded out with ice, yeah. What a day, can't wait for tonight, yeah. I don't take advice, yeah. Ooh, let me live my life, yeah. If I spend it once, I get it twice, yeah. Yeah. I don't take advice, yeah. I don't take advice, yeah. Ay, play with it, stay with it. Ay, yeah. I don't play with it, I stay with it. See my money change, but I ain't change with it. People making memes, I just make chicken. Listen how I talk, I'm so bad with it. In my bag where they found me. I'm the one from the jump, got my town lit. Day ones all around, keep me grounded. Keep them on the side with it down. Ayy, said I was gon' chill, but I can't though. It's another day, another bankroll. Speaking on the net, but it ain't. I just really want the pesos. This ain't no type beat. I get hyphy. I get hyphy. Sweet, a wifey. Know that she like me. Know that she like me. This ain't no type beat. I get hyphy. I get hyphy. Sweet, a wifey. Know that she like me. Know that she like me. Hey, I'm a real one plus all the synonyms. P-Lo, yeah, I'm back up on that again. I know that they praying I won't hit again, but I'm different in my bag like some M&Ms. Hey, get spooky, I can't trust no groupie. Don't take her to movies. Jacuzzi, she act like she knew me. That goes stupid, keep racks in my subies. Hey, straight from the betas, that authentic. No, well, lames at a boss. Swimming. I got him mad, got him offended. Ayy, said I was gon' chill, but I can't though. It's another day, another bankroll. Speaking on the net, but it ain't. I just really want the pesos. This ain't no type beat. I get hyphy. I get hyphy. Sweet, a wifey. Know that she like me. Know that she like me. This ain't no type beat. I get hyphy. I get hyphy. Sweet, a wifey. Know that she like me. Know that she like me. Strike a pose. Yes, I'm the one. Brown skin boss chick, got your boyfriend Gucci. Drip, yeah, I do it for fun. You wanna learn? Okay, let me teach you, hun. It goes. If he ain't paying your bills, you gotta tell that to chill. No else trying to stack me a meal. He likes. I said, do you wanna make it a meal? It's a snack, baby. It's a snack, baby. Men I follow them gal, they sound whack, baby. I'm on a 10th floor sipping, baby. I told him no tick, straight cash, baby. Cause I'm icy, pricey, flyer than your wifey. Levi jeans with a white tee. Money march, but I ain't a Pisces. Bad gal, raised in the 90s. Fly it in your wife, fly it in your cause I'm flyer than your wifey. Icy, pricey, fly it in your wifey. Pull up in the farm, I might be. Hopped out the jag. It's a new day, I'm trying to get to the bag. Ask about me in the streets, know that I'm bad. And I know that I'm the best, so I ain't gotta brag. All these chicks try copy my swag. Flash like the wags on the front of the mags. When I go shopping, I don't look at the tags. I blow bags on my bags, yeah,
bare rags, it's mad, Go to the store and I cop it. Straight bossing, bands in my pocket. Said he wanna talk, boy, stop. If it ain't about money, then it ain't about profit. They be like, Tro, when's your new dropping? I said as soon as I hear a badder. Just kidding, see it there, another banger. Trophy wife, and that's word to Rihanna. Cause I'm icy, pricey, flyer than your wifey. Levi jeans with a white tee. Money march, but I ain't a Pisces. Bad gal, raised in the 90s. Fly it in your wife, fly it in your, cause I'm flyer than your wifey. Icy, pricey, fly it in your wifey. Pull up in the farm, I might be.
Time I need y'all to jump. Time I need y'all to jump.
could be a felony. Been out key, yeah, I'm liking what you telling me. You got them curls that'll make me go loco. I might get on Whitney, say I won't though. Yeah, hey, it's just something about the way you made that while the other one doesn't. Come on, hey, and your whole family bad. Yeah, your mama and your sister and your auntie and your cousin. Hey.
Coasting, on the pitch freak dons get roasted. They might not want to take part today, but in the end they get roped in. I turn cold in a split second, quicker than water could be frozen. Wish I was a basketballer, I would dunk in your face like DeMar DeRozan. Some man's dreams of sun, right to the bottom of the ocean. Before I was 2-speed, but right now, man are in 4-wheel motion. Said your new song was a bomb, but when you dropped it, there weren't no explosion. God said, Wiley, step over here because you've been chosen. Coasting. If it's not all you, you start soaking. Balloon Mafia, we get the bulking. The parcel, the package, the old thing. Bringing up Wiley to get in the dance. Best advice, don't phone him. I send a signal out with no words like Echo the Dolphin. If you never had a cigar, I won't hold nothing against you. All I'm saying is you missed out on the games I could have lent you. Sometimes I didn't do all of the things I know that I was meant to. Down point, didn't always get to the clubs I was sent to. Big ship, sail across seas. I work a lot to make enough peas. Whenever people wanna get nosy, tell them relax and mind your bee's knees. Yeah, I'm on the Cali now, but I still give props to the lemon and cheese. My aim in the dance is have a good time, then breeze. I be like, please, coasting, floating. I'm not fading away like erosion. Keep going like I've had a magic potion. Meditating now, my mind's open. Started a label with Logan. CTA is the slogan. I get the flows in my head, then I flip them and fold them. Get them tight in my head and I mold them. I get snappy, grime in my soul when you hear me, I don't sound tacky. Vibes galore ever since my arrival. I met my pagans, I met my rivals. Still got time for the booth when I land. I got the skills, there's proof in the brand. There's a world out there, so I wanna expand. All the way up, it's already been planned. So, thriving, I'm in charge of the ship that I'm driving. All of the kicks of the snares, them rolling. All of the swears, them gliding. This is the essence of the whole thing. Lyrics and rhythms colliding. When I hear what I'm being told, I'll be like, that ain't surprising. Thriving, I'm in charge of the ship that I'm driving. All of the kicks of the snares, them rolling. All of the swears, them gliding. This is the essence of the whole thing. Lyrics and rhythms colliding. When I hear what I hear, when I'm being told, I'll be like, that ain't surprising. The last time I killed them freestyles, bro, I didn't do no vids. Studio man, just because I was a studio kid. That's what the studio did. Train a man highly, that's what the gift was. I made the fans excited like it's Christmas. It won't take long, I get the swing of it. I bust a bottle of have a of it. Bars for days, got bars for nights. I got bars that I brewed, they be starting fights, yeah. I got bars for all those occasions where you might spray bars on your pagans. Bars for days, got bars for nights. I got bars that I brewed, they be starting fights. Got bars for all those occasions where you might spray bars on your pagans.
vibes in the night time. When you come through, it's looking like the right time. When it's 3 a.m, I just need a lifeline. Call your phone, baby girl, I got the right mind. I ain't tryna, I'm just tryna live life. I blow money when I get it, so I live nice. She got the cake, I'm just looking for a quick slice. And when the day breaks, I won't even think twice. I need a girl with a I'm a star boy, I can never shine with a waist. No passer, no passer. Girl, don't worry about beef, I got my guys in the place. Me and the moon are good friends, see. So I sleep in the day and come alive in the wakes. A bang ting with the vibes where it takes. I ain't come for no, that's a line for the jakes. Yo, let's have a couple like nothing heavy, I'm incredible, general. Trust man, the levy. My money big, bro, ain't little like Debbie. I need a P1 black, not a Chevy. And I'm a till the end of the day. Look, I'm tryna get them all away. I don't care what you done, I don't care what you say. Me not fear next man, get it on my way.
What a man you've got to be. Yeah, you took a lot of noise, I believe it when I see. There's a couple other boys, but are you the one I need? You don't wanna waste my time, that's a guarantee.
I'm vibing, me whining. I'm stress free, my dog's violent. As a young and I would duck from the trident. Feds chatting at me couple times, but I'm silent. Colourful, Gucci. Tiger on my top and it's vibrant. Go foreign on my car as a migrant. Water on my neck as if I'm playing in a hydrant. Brown skin looking all golden, maple. Wife turned Feb and we march through April. I got my health and I'm grateful. Bad man step far from weed when I hateful. Slide through the darkness, moon on my back. Gal, I'm a nah. Get my hair twist, sip lemonade casual. I'm a star boy, you can't read it in a manual.
What a man you've got to be. Yeah, you took a lot of noise, I believe it when I see. There's a couple other boys, but are you the one I need? You don't wanna waste my time, that's a guarantee. I know what you need, I know what you want. You just got that something you can't find in everyone. I know what you could be, cause I know what you are. People talking about you, they feel power from afar. They can see it in the dark.